Okay, so let's dig into this. There's an app that's just completely blowing up online right now.
You're talking about FreeShort.
Exactly, FreeShort. And his promise is, well, pretty compelling. The idea is you watch short videos, these little mini dramas, and you earn money.
And that's the kind of offer that immediately makes you ask, right? Is this for real?
Yeah, is it a real opportunity or is it just, a distraction? We've had a lot of you ask for a quick take on platforms like this.
And that's our mission today, really, to get past the marketing and look at the actual reality behind it. Our source for this deep dive is a really solid analysis from the YouTube channel X Guide. They did a piece called Free Short App 2025 Review Real Rewards or Fake Claims.
Great, so let's start with the absolute basics. Is the app itself even real? Does it function?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. It's a real application and it works perfectly well.
Okay.
But as a short video streaming platform, the
Yeah.
playback is smooth. There's tons of content. For entertainment, it delivers.
But that's where the problem starts, I imagine.
That's it exactly, because the app's interface is incredibly convincing. It's designed to show you accumulating these, points or coins in real time as you watch.
Right, and the ads I've seen make it look like a totally genuine, seamless way to make some passive income.
They are very, very good at creating that illusion.
Okay, wait a minute. If the interface is that convincing, it literally shows the coins adding up. How did X-Guide figure out it's a dead end? Where does the illusion actually break down for the user?
That's the crucial pivot point. The appearance of earning is flawless, but the reality of actually getting the money is, well, it's non-existent.
So you can't get the money out.
The review confirms what other independent reports have found. There is, and this is a quote, no verified proof that users can actually withdraw cash.
So the points are just numbers on a screen. They're not tied to anything?
Pretty much, they're just virtual tokens with no real cash value. And there is no consistent method to cash out.
So it isn't just that it's difficult to get paid. It sounds like the system is deliberately designed to stop you.
Precisely. The reviews pointed out these classic deception techniques.
Like what?
So you'll earn points really easily up to a certain point, but then all of a sudden you have to meet this ridiculously high minimum threshold to withdraw.
Ah, I see. They move the goalposts.
Or you'll try to cash out and the link is just broken. It's non-functional.
Yeah.
The path to actually getting currency is intentionally blocked.
Wow. Okay, so that changes the entire picture. FreeShort isn't an earning platform at all. It's a streaming platform that uses fake rewards as bait.
That's the real deep dive here. The app has to work flawlessly as entertainment. Why? Because it needs to keep your eyes on that screen.
So if they aren't paying with cash, what's the actual exchange? What are they getting for all the time we spend watching?
Your attention, that's the product. Your viewing history, your data, all of that is monetized through advertising revenue.
So the promise of earning cash is just.
It's an incredibly cheap user acquisition strategy. They're basically paying you with worthless virtual coins for your very valuable engagement, which they then sell to advertisers.
So what does this all mean for you if you're thinking about using it? The final verdict from the analysis seems pretty clear.
It is. Use FreeShort for fun, for the videos, if you enjoy the content.
But completely abandon any thought of financial gain.
Any claim of earning real cash is highly suspicious. You should be really wary of risking personal information or time-chasing rewards that probably don't exist.
Yeah, that warning feels important to reinforce.
The platform works for entertainment, but the heavy focus on the earning part is it's deeply misleading.
They aren't giving you money for your time.
No, you are giving them revenue for their non-existent points.
It leaves you with a final kind of provocative thought. If these apps are real functional platforms, but the cash rewards are fake, what does that say about us? Is the potential promise of earning a more effective incentive than the actual entertainment itself? Something to chew on as you decide where to spend your attention.